You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. For more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. There are different pronunciations indeed. Now, if you're looking at the Spanish pronunciation, in Spanish it's normally pronounced as Mico. Mico. Now, if there is an accent on the O, it could be Mico también. But if you're looking at how to pronounce the name of this place in Texas, it's actually pronounced, the English pronunciation is as Mico. Mico. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.